Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make Nigerian custard ice cream. Combine 1 liter full cream milk and 200 grams sugar in a pot, whisking until sugar dissolves smoothly. Mix 80 grams custard powder with a little cold milk to form a slurry, then stir into the hot milk off the heat. Cool quickly in an ice bath, then refrigerate until very cold before churning for best texture. Start by heating milk and sugar gently while stirring to prevent scorching. Whisk the custard powder into cold milk to make a smooth slurry, then slowly add a little hot milk to temper it before returning everything to the pot and cooking briefly until slightly thickened. Remove from heat, cool in an ice bath, cover, and chill well. Proper chilling is essential for creamy, scoopable ice cream when you churn. For a richer custard ice cream, fold in whipped cream or condensed milk after chilling to enhance creaminess without diluting flavor. Infuse with vanilla, grated nutmeg, or a splash of fruit puree to create distinct Nigerian-inspired variations. When using an ice cream machine, stop churning when the mixture is soft serve consistency to prevent over-churning. Then freeze until firm to achieve smooth, scoopable texture that customers and family will love.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.